Okay, come back again with me to Nick Pandey with Create Your Own by Nick. So today I would like to do unboxings and some explanation about what is inside the box of my wooden repeating crossbow. So I have been selling wooden repeating crossbow on market and I have some feedback, and now I would like to review it what is inside the box. Before I did, but maybe some people didn't see it. Okay, so inside the box you will get the crossbow, one crossbow with the foldable arm, and then some bolt that made from chopstick and some pledging makers. Yes, I provide you pledging makers because it really complicated if you don't have the right tool to make your own bolt. Yeah, but if you would like the easy way, you can order the bolt to me. The price is not expensive. It's really cheap. Okay, so this is the fletching or the bolt makers. This is how it works. First, you have to choose the right size of the chopstick. It is really easy. You take chopstick and then try to insert into the hole, and then you will know the size of the chopstick. And for your information, if you buy chopstick on the market, there will be some chopstick that has bad conditions, like it curved or it has a bend on the top. So you choose the clean, the strike one. Okay, here we have the one that you cannot use. It won't work well if you insert into the hole of the fletching makers. Okay, these three are good. And then you clean the top with the sanding paper. It's really important step. Because when the string of the crossbow pull the bolt, it will stick to that point. And if that's not flat, it won't work well. And then you insert the blade. So on the package, I do not include it with the blade because it is a dangerous item. So you can buy at your country. It's really easy to find. I think this is a common blade. And then you just insert the chopstick and then push a little bit. And for your information, you can put the fletching makers on the table with the clamp, or you can hold with your feet, but you have to be careful with the blade. See, it is really easy. Maybe this step you have to learn and you have to use to it with the hole of the fletching makers. Yeah, this is something like education toy. And then you take a plastic of a paper map, maybe make sure it is really thin. Drawing pen if you have, or other pen, that's definitely fine. So far you can see the line that you draw, and I cut it. And then take your chopstick, insert it, and then after this you glue it with the super glue. Super glue is excluded. Pinch it. Yeah, if you have paper clip, that will be great compared to use what we call this pins or something like that. Yeah, this is the paper clip. You clip it and then you wait for a few seconds and then done. So thank you for watching. If you would like to order my repeating crossbow, just text me on email that I will put on description. So my crossbow is not a weapon that could use for hunting big target, but mostly for fun. So hope you like the video and hope you have a great day.